You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. The full name is Radeon RX 9070 in American English, or 9070 in British English. Some may say 9070, which I think sounds quite nice too, 9070. But generally 9070 XT. How do you pronounce it? It'd be interesting to know. Let us know in the comments. AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.